Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Mehraj Kamran here with a very interesting video, because in this video I am going to check your homework which you have submitted to me. I'll display your home assignments, also the homework I gave in my previous video which was about acidity and basicity, and I uploaded this video on 27th April. So here in this video I am going to check first few responses which was sent to me within 4 days. The homework which I gave in this video was classify each of the following acids and bases, also write their ionization equation. There 6 compounds were given, fewer acids, fewer bases. So let's see who has given the first response and how he or she has done. This was the first response which I got, and it was given by Haya Saeed Jamsa. Very well done, Haya. She has written ionization equation. So let's start checking of her work. First equation she has written for sulfuric acid, it was basic acid. So ionization takes place in 2 steps. So she has written correctly. Second was nitric acid, which was mono-basic acid. So correctly she has written ionization within 1 step. She has put the correct charges on ions also, and she has used a double-headed arrow correctly and written H2O on each double-headed arrow. Third is carbonic acid. She has done this also correctly. Fourth was a base, calcium hydroxide, which was a diacidic base. So correctly she has done ionization in 2 steps, correctly mentioned charges on ions also. She has written overall equation with each response, each ionization. Fifth was aluminum hydroxide, which was triacidic base. So one mistake she has made over here. In equation number 4, overall equation, she forgot to balance hydroxide ion by writing 2 here. So this was very minor mistake, because you have correctly mentioned each ionization step. Now number 5 was triacidic base. So in 3 steps ionization should be written. So correctly she has written. Last was ammonium hydroxide, which was monoacidic base. So within 1 step she has written ionization. But she forgot one thing. In homework it was written to classify also. Means you have to write sulfuric acid was di-basic acid, then mono-basic acid. Like this you have to classify. Well, you got A grade in this homework. So good job, Haya. Let's see the next response. This response was given by Rushba Khan. Let's see what she has done. Correctly she has done the ionization of sulfuric acid in 2 steps with correct charges and correct arrows and everything. She has written overall equation also. Second was nitric acid. Correctly she has done. Third was carbonic acid. Here also she has done correctly in 2 steps ionization. Fourth was a base, calcium hydroxide. So here also she has done it correctly and written overall equation also. Fifth is also correct. Sixth was ammonium hydroxide. Correctly she has done. But Rushba also forgot to classify. And you also got A grade. Great job, Rushba. Let's see the next response. These pictures were sent by Barira Tariq. She has written her name also. So her first equation is correct. In 2 steps she has done ionization of sulfuric acid. Nitric acid ionization is also correct. Carbonic acid ionization is also correct in 2 steps. But she forgot to write charge on carbonate ion in second equation. But in overall equation she has mentioned correctly. Next was calcium hydroxide. Here also she has written correctly. Next was aluminum hydroxide. In 3 steps she has written. Uh, it is also correct, but she forgot to write charges on aluminium hydroxide and aluminium ion. It will be +2 or +3, but in overall equation she has correctly written the charges. Last was ammonium hydroxide. Here also she has done correctly, but she also forgot to write water on each equation, because students, ionization takes place in water, so you must have to mention water and on arrow, or react each acid or base with water. She also forgot to classify. So you got B plus grade. That's great. Okay, good job, Barira. Next response is this. Let's see who has sent this. Rafia Jabi. She sent this response. So let's start checking Rafia's response. Sulfuric acid, she has done correct ionization in 2 steps with correct charges. Nitric acid ionization is also correct. Carbonic acid ionization correct. She has written overall equations also correctly. Calcium hydroxide ionization is correct. Aluminium hydroxide ionization is also correct. She has mentioned water also on arrows. Ammonium hydroxide ionization is also correct. But she also forgot to classify. So she got A grade. That's great. Good job, Rafia. Let's see the next response. This response was sent by Ravisha Tokir. Let's see what she has done. She has written sulfuric acid ionization in 2 steps correctly, nitric acid ionization in 1 step correctly, carbonic acid ionization in 2 steps correctly with correct charges, calcium hydroxide ionization correctly she has written with correct charges, aluminium hydroxide ionization is also correct, ammonium hydroxide ionization is also correct. But she also forgot to write water on arrows. Again, I am telling you ionization takes place in water, so you must have to mention water. She also forgot to classify each compound as mono, di or tri. So you got B plus grade. That's great. Not very bad. This is okay. Okay, next response is given by Fatma Abdul Rauf. Let's see what she has done. First response is correct because she has correctly done ionization in 2 steps, but she forgot to write -2 charge on sulfate ion, but she has correctly written in overall equation. So that's a minor mistake, Fatma. Don't worry. Next was nitric acid. She has done correctly. Next, carbonic acid also correctly. She has classified also sulfuric acid as dibasic acid, correct. Nitric acid monobasic acid, correct. Carbonic acid dibasic acid, correct. Calcium hydroxide. In carbonic acid she also forgot to write -2 charge on carbonate ion, but this is very minor mistake because she has written correct charge in overall equation. Fourth, she has done correctly, but here also she forgot to write charge on calcium ion. Correctly classify diacidic base and correct ionization equations. Fifth was aluminium hydroxide, triacidic base. This is also correct, but the same mistake she has repeated here. She forgot to write charges in steps. But in overall equation, she has written the charge correctly. Last equation also she has done correctly and correctly classified monoacidic base. But she has not used double-headed arrows. She has used forward arrows only. So these ionization equations are reversible reactions. So you must have to use double-headed arrows. So you also got B plus grade, Fatma. That's okay and good. Let's see the next response. This was the next response which I got given by Arisha Mansoor. Let's see what Arisha has done. First, sulfuric acid, she has classified dibasic and she has correctly written ionization equations. But she has written the wrong charge on sulfate ion. This is not +2. Here also in overall equation you have written +2. It is not +2, it is -2. This is a minor mistake. Next was nitric acid. Correctly she has done, but she has written 2 over here. It should not be 2 because only one hydrogen it is containing, so only one hydrogen ion it will give in water. Next, carbonic acid, correctly classified dibasic or diprotic acid, and correctly equations she has written. Next, correctly she has done calcium hydroxide, and identification or classification is also correct, diacidic base. Next, aluminum hydroxide is also correct, triacidic base, identification is also correct. Last one, ammonium hydroxide, is also correct and classification is also correct, monoacidic base. So you got A grade. Just because of minor mistake you should get A plus. So that's a very good work you have done. Let's see the next response. This is sent by Mariam Sahil. Let's see what she has done. Sulfuric acid, correctly she has written ionization in 2 steps, but she has written overall equation, or within first one step she has written first, then stepwise ionization. Nitric acid is also correct. In case of carbonic acid also, first equation is related to overall equation, then she has done stepwise ionization, so this is also correct. But she forgot to write -2 charge in overall equation. Next, calcium hydroxide is also correct. Stepwise ionization is also correct. Aluminium hydroxide is also correct. Correctly she has written all the ions charges, and last one is also correct. But she also forgot to classify each one of the following species. So she got A grade. That's good job, Mariam. Let's see the next response. This response is sent by Tahreen Sheikh. Let's see what she has done. First ionization equation, correctly she has written, then overall equation also she has mentioned. Next, nitric acid ionization is also correct. Carbonic acid ionization equations are also correct. In 2 steps she has shown the ionization. Calcium hydroxide ionization is also correct. Ammonium hydroxide is also correct, and aluminum hydroxide, here she has written, it is also correct. In case of ammonium hydroxide, she forgot to write the charge on hydroxyl ion. Aluminum hydroxide is also correct, but she also forgot to classify each one of the following, and she has not used double-headed arrow. So because of this you got B plus grade. That's okay and good job, Tareen. Let's check the next response. This is given by Huda Naeem. Let's see what she has done. First equation, first sulfuric acid equation is also correct, and she has mentioned here it is a diprotic acid. She has classified also. Nitric acid, she has mentioned it is monoprotic acid, and equation is also correct. She has used double-headed arrows. She has written water on each equation. Correctly charges are mentioned. In carbonic acid, diprotic acid, correct. Equations are also correct. In case of calcium hydroxide, she has written diacidic base. It is correct and equations are also correct. In case of aluminum hydroxide, she has written it is a triacidic base. So it is also correct and equations are also correct. Last one, ammonium hydroxide, she has written monoacidic base. It is correct and equation is also correct. So you have classified also and written the equations correctly. So you got A plus. Great. That's good job, Huda. Keep working like this. Now let's see who has sent the next response. This is Arisha Aziz. Let's see what she has done. First equation, sulfuric acid equations, she has written correctly, and overall equation is also correct. She has also mentioned water on each arrow, and double-headed arrows she has used. Nitric acid ionization is also correct with correct charges. Carbonic acid ionization is also correct in 2 steps. She has mentioned correctly with correct charges. Calcium hydroxide ionization is also correct with correct charges. Aluminium hydroxide ionization she has done in 3 steps and written overall equation, that is correct. Last one, ammonium hydroxide ionization, is also correct. But she also forgot to classify each of the following acid or base. So you got A grade, Arisha. That's good work. Keep working like this. Let's see the next response. This response is sent by Yamna Faraz. Let's see what she has done. First is sulfuric acid. So correctly she has written in 2 steps. Then last equation is overall equation. In case of nitric acid also she has correctly written equation with correct charges, correct arrows and water on the arrows. In carbonic acid also she has written correctly in 2 steps, and third equation is overall equation. In case of calcium hydroxide, correctly she has written equations. Aluminium hydroxide is also correctly she has written in 3 steps and then overall equation. Ammonium hydroxide is also correct, but she has written acid or base with each species, but she forgot to classify as monoprotic acid, diprotic or triprotic. You have to classify like this. So Yumna, you got A grade. That's great. Good job, Yumna. Let's see the next response. This is sent by Isma Tariq. Let's see what she has done. Sulfuric acid ionization, correctly she has written, and she has written diprotic here also. Means she has classified each of the following species like this. In 2 steps she has done the ionization and then written the overall equation. In case of nitric acid she has written monoprotic here, and then correctly she has written the ionization equation. Carbonic acid she has written diprotic here, and in 2 steps she has done correctly ionization equations. Calcium hydroxide she has written diprotic, and correctly ionization equation she has shown. Fifth one she has written tri here, means aluminium hydroxide is triacidic base, so correctly she has written equations also. Last one she has written mono here, but the picture is blurred, so I can see here something written with MONO, so it must be mono because all remaining she has classified correctly. So this is also correct, and equation is also correct. So you also got A plus. Good job, excellent Isma. Keep working like this. Let's check the next response. This response is sent by Ariba Khalid. Let's see what she has done. She has written sulfuric acid as diprotic acid over here and done ionization in 2 steps. She has mentioned basicity value of sulfuric acid also. That's great. It was not asked in the question, but you have mentioned, so that's great. Nitric acid also she has done correctly, basicity value 1, and monoprotic acid she has mentioned. Carbonic acid she has mentioned diprotic acid, basicity value and correct ionization equations with correct charges. In case of calcium hydroxide she has written diprotic base. This is also correct. Ionization equations are also correct. Aluminium hydroxide, she has written triprotic base, so this is also correct. And ionization in 3 steps, it is also correct. Last one, ammonium hydroxide, she has written monoprotic base, so it is also correct. Ionization equation is also correct. So you also got A plus grade. That's great work, Ariba. Keep working like this. Let's see the next response. This is given by Fatma Nasir. Let's see what she has done. She has written sulfuric acid ionization in 2 steps and overall equation also. So it is correct, and she has mentioned here diprotic acid also. So it is also correct. In case of nitric acid also, she has correctly mentioned monoprotic and correctly written the ionization equation with correct arrows and water. Everything is here with correct charges. But in case of carbonic acid, she has used the wrong formula for carbonic acid. So the equation will be wrong. It is not monoprotic acid. It is diprotic acid, and the formula is H2CO3. So ionization should take place in 2 steps. In case of calcium hydroxide, correctly she has done ionization in 2 steps, and correctly she has mentioned diprotic base over here. Let's see next equation. She has written aluminium hydroxide as triprotic base, and correctly she has done ionization in 3 steps. Last is ammonium hydroxide. Oh, this is also wrong, because ammonium hydroxide formula is NH4OH and it is monoacidic base, not diprotic base. So because of wrong formulas, you have done 2 equations wrongly. So you got B plus. It's okay, not very bad. Keep working hard so you can get easily A or A plus. These were all responses which I got within 4 days. So congratulations to all of you. You have done very well. I'm so proud of you, and you all deserve this. So congratulations. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.